Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change a shower head. Show you how to do this using these simple tools, just a pair of channel locks and some thread tape. First we're going to remove the old shower head. This can be a little tricky if it's been on there for a while. Very important to make sure that there's no rubber grommet left inside here. Make sure it's nice and clean. And that's your old shower head. So I'm going to take some thread tape, and this creates a seal on these threads so that they won't leak. And I'm going to go clockwise with thread tape, just a couple of times around. There, it's on there. And I go clockwise because when I spin this on, remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's a good way to always figure out how you tighten something or how you loosen it. So when I spin it on to the right, I go clockwise with the tape so that it will not peel the tape away. If the tape was on the other way, I'd be tightening it and it would peel the tape. Hope that makes sense. So I get this hand tight and I give it just a snug more with the wrench. Not much, so just really be careful with this. You just want to give it just a little bit more. And I just kind of feel it to see. I'm just going very easily to see how tight it is. So that should be good. Now let me turn the shower on and see what we got and check for leaks. Aim the shower away from you too. That's a great tip. There it is. Perfect. So that's how to change a shower head. There's not much to it. So I hope this helped. Again, Grant Warrington, realtor and real estate investor in Southeast Michigan. Thanks for watching.